Amigos, today we're gonna make my Mexican chili oil. This salsa is typically added on pozole, but I like to add it to a lot of my dishes, like quesadilla, sopita, eggs, even my pizza. I basically add it to any dish or food that I want to be spicier, and it is so good. So let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. These are the ingredients you will need. We're gonna start by heating up our pan on medium-low heat. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of cooking oil. I'm using masola. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna add 1 garlic clove, and once it's nice and brown, we remove it and set it to the side. Next comes the chile de arbol or dried arbol peppers. We're going to add them little by little because we don't want them to burn. And yes, they do burn really easily. So we let them cook for just a few seconds. Once they change color, we take them out and we repeat the same steps until we are all out of our chiles. Next, we're going to cook our corn tortilla. We cook it on both sides until it turns into a tostada and we remove it. And for those of you asking yourselves why a tortilla, this just adds texture and flavor to the salsa. Now, once the oil has completely cooled down, we're going to put everything in the blender along with the 4th teaspoon of salt. Now, I like to blend for about 45 seconds. The more you blend, the thinner your salsa will be. If you like your salsa on the chunkier side, then I suggest you blend for about 30 seconds. And now our salsa is ready. I like to store it in a glass container with the lid, and I just leave it on my counter at room temperature, and it lasts me anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, maybe longer, but we eat this salsa quite a lot. So once I run out, I always make more. And this is what your salsa will look like, freshly blended, but as it sets, it'll become thicker just like this. And just like that, our Mexican chili oil is ready to enjoy.